Hello everyone, my name is Richard Deng, and today I will be showing you all a new method of multiplication originating from Japan. Now you all may be familiar with this first method I will be showing you all, which is essentially placing the two values vertically and solving from there. To further explain, here's a problem. We have 34 multiplied by 26. Now with this first method you all may be familiar with is placing the values over each other and solving from there. 6 times 4, 24. Carry the 2 over. 6 times 3, 18. So you have 20 here. And then you have 2 times 4, 8. As well as 2 times 3, 6. Adding these all together, we get 4, 8, 8. So our answer would be 884. All right, now that we've gone through this standard method of multiplication, let's introduce this other method. We'll start with a simpler problem. Let's take 13 times 12. The first step of this method is to arrange lines corresponding to the digits of the two values. So essentially, we need to create lines of 1, 3, 1, and 2. So in order to do that, we will do 1 here, and then we need to do 3 here. And this will correspond to the 13. For the 12, we will do 1 here and 2 here, corresponding to the 12. The next step is to count out the intersections in order to get the answer. So essentially saying we will be counting first here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersections. So in our 1 value, we'll have a 6. Now for this middle value, we'll take both of these sections and add the intersections. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our middle value, or our tens place value, is going to be 5. Now, we have one intersection here, so we have 156 as our answer. Now, just to double check our answer, let's go through the standard method of multiplication. 13, 12, multiply the 2, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 1, 2, 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 1, 1. Add these values together, you get 6, 5, 1, 156, similar to or exactly the same as the answer we got in the previous method. All right, now that the basics have been established, let's go back to the problem that we started at the beginning of the video and use this new method of multiplication. So we have 34 times 26. Now, again, we'll be starting by creating lines. We have 1, 2, 3, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for our 26, we have 1, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So now that we have all this set up, we simply need to count out the intersections. So for this section here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 6 times 4, 24. So essentially here we have 24. And like the previous method, because we have a tenths place value here, we will be carrying that over to the tenths place values in the second column, essentially saying we will only be keeping the 4 for our answer. So our single digit value is 4. And then counting the intersections in this section here, along with this section here, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have 3 rows, so 3 times 6, 18, plus the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 intersections that you have down there. So you essentially have 18 plus 8 plus 2. 18 plus 8, 26, plus 2, 28. So we have 28 intersections. Again, we will carry the 2 over, keeping the 8. So over here, we will have 8. And then over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intersections plus the 2, meaning we have 8 there as well. 888 or 884, the exact same as the answer we got in our previous method. Thank you, everyone. This is Richard Deng, and it has been a pleasure in sharing with you all the multiplication method that has originated from Japan. I hope to see you all in another video.